Right here is where most of the production happens.
Okay.
We're a little small area. We don't need that much space because we mainly just focus on dealing with computers and small electronic items. So we don't build the lane machines. We don't do any of that.
Okay.
So all the computers go on the benches underneath, usually the boxes. Empty boxes go underneath the benches. Here on the left side, we have the second part of our room. If we look at the right side on the wall, these are all our unconfigured parts. We call them raw parts. So we grab these off of inventory, we put them on the bench, and then we configure them. Once the order is configured and completed, we'll move it over to the shipping bay.
Okay.
So from here, we write the order numbers, and each customer has their own order number. And shipping will come in, look for an order number, find their pallet to pick, and then take it off. This is a new addition.
Okay.
This is a new addition to the lab. We're working to improve efficiency and reliability. So one of the things that we invested in is getting a rack server. This is to host all of our images for the computers that so when we're configuring a computer, we preload it with software that is set by tech support and other departments within our company to ensure that only the programs that you need are necessary that are on the computer and properly run Conquer. And Conquer is the main program that we install on computers. But yeah, it'll have all the updates for all the computers, so Windows updates, Conquer updates, everything comes pre-updated and ready to go. So we'll keep this server up to date, which will then keep the rest of our computers up to date when we go to image set. I have to kind of plan in advance. I usually check out the orders that are shipping 2 weeks in advance from today's date, and I do that to try to plan and move when to do and configure some orders to make sure that we can allocate our time effectively. Going on from there, we have to plan for exceptions, because every time a customer's computer goes down, or a pin pad goes down, or a FortiGate, which is either referred to as IGG or a gateway, which will take down a center. If tech support isn't able to get it up, we have to make sure that we can allocate some time same day to get that to the customer. A couple of years ago, we were having a big issue with getting computers into our area because there was that massive chip shortage. So once that cleared up, then we were able to get a consistent flow of computers getting into the lab, which was good for everyone.